Hi, it's Teresa, your friendly health and wellness coach, here with Healthy Soup Hack Part 4. It's a little bit of a mouthful to say, I've only stumbled a few times. So this is another one like Part 3 that came out of when I was cooking in the corporate food service world. So a lot of times when we would start a soup, we would start with a butter flour mixture and make a roux so that the soup would get nice and thick. So when people started becoming gluten-free, I wanted to pivot using that. So this is what I did instead. When my soup was a little thin and could use a little thickness, I used an immersion blender and just did a couple seconds in the soup. So that's all we're gonna do here. They're kind of scary when you turn them on. Did you see me jump? I jumped. So you can go longer for that, but for this one, I definitely don't need to. It's a nice thickness now. In my opinion, depending on what you actually have in the soup and pureed it, it can actually give it like more of a creamy texture when you're doing a stock-based soup. So hope you enjoyed Part 5 coming soon. Stay tuned.